Here I am 3 days later, or however many days, and I finally thought of the third thing that you should know before you adopt or foster or even give birth to black children. You are going to have to teach your kids to stand up for themselves. Nothing in this society, and I would even say world, is catering to black bodies. Somebody always got something to say, especially about black girls and black women's bodies. They always got something to say about our hair, about our thickness, about our aesthetics and our styles and whatever. Your kids cannot go through life with thin skin. And what I notice in a lot of these interracial groups is white women come into the group and they're constantly asking, how do I handle this? My daughter's feelings got hurt. She came home crying because somebody said she was too dark or her braids were too this or girl, talk back. We talk back. We get them to shut up and then we go on about our business forever and ever because I think black is just so beautiful, maybe. People always got something to say. Your kids are not going to make it if you sitting there telling them to be pacifying the bullies. And they're not going to make it if every day they got to come home and contemplate all the mean things that were said to them. It's not going to stop. Okay? So if you're not confrontational now, if you have a black child, you're going to have to learn how to advocate.